Today we're going to show you how to change our oil on our G650GS motorcycles as we are full-time motorcycle traveling.
This world keeps spinning and there's no time to waste. Well, it all keeps spinning, spinning round and round and upside down. I don't want this feeling to go away.
Chantil, what are you about to do?
Change my oil in nature.
Yes, so we've got bottles and we'll put it all back in the original
We'll try not
containers.
to get any in the outside place.
And then we'll make sure we drop it off at a recycling place.
Yep.
So no worries, nature. We won't put oil on you, we promise.
Okay, so we have a T handle here for the Torx, and we have a 25T and a 30T that we'll be using. We have a 6mm Allen with a 24mm socket with an adapter from a 1/2 inch to a 3/4, and we have a 1/2 inch ratchet. Now you may ask what this one's for. This one's for a cheater bar to help give me extra strength. We just extend the ratchet a little longer and it gives us more torque. First we have a T25 torque to remove all the covers for the tank.
So the G650GS takes an extensive amount of work to actually get to the oil, because you have to drain this oil reservoir. On this other side you have to swap out the oil filter, and then down below is where you drain it.
Alright, so to remove the oil reservoir you need a T30 here, and then also you'll need to remove these two clips. A clip here with some grommets and washers, and a clip here. Then we're going to also loosen this drain plug with a 6mm Allen.
This part always requires a makeshift contraption, which we have right here, to catch the oil, otherwise it drains all the way down the side of your engine onto the ground. Grab it out. This one was 50,697 miles. Very good. 57,615 was the mileage today, and a little memory. Now we put the bolts back in, put the cover back on.
We'll just have to fill it with oil then. Without spilling.
Fresh liquid gold. Good. Alright, give it a start. What?
It sounds weird without this.
Oh yeah. I just need to check for leaks. Make sure there's nothing leaking. Motorcycle's starting to look like a motorcycle, actually. You got motorcycle here, then you got Mad Max mobile over here. Kind of like it. Just leave the cover off, save the weight.
As you can see, not too difficult. So So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up below. Subscribing and clicking on the bell icon will ensure you get updates to future video releases. Thanks for the support.